One of the unique things about the Manufacturing Leadership Council, and one of the reasons why the members get so much value out of it, is that we're driven by their most important issues for the year ahead. And we refresh what we call our critical issues agenda on an annual basis after surveys and calls and live meetings with the members, so we identify what's really important to them. And right now we're looking at an agenda which consists of 7 key areas. So we'll look at the factories of the future and the technologies and roadmaps to move the factory towards a much more future state. We'll look at collaborative cultures within an organisation so that you can share data, share ideas, both within the company and externally in partnership networks as well. We'll look at innovation and how new manufacturing technologies can help companies to innovate, not just new products, but new processes, and also maybe new business models which are based on data services. We also look at leadership and the changing workforce. There is a massive change underway in culture and what's needed to be able to lead a company through this transformation towards the future, what we call Manufacturing 4.0. We also look at transformative technologies in a much deeper dive, so that could be artificial intelligence, it could be the cloud, it could be augmented reality, it could be the Internet of Things, both internally within the plant floor so that you can manage the maintenance of automation much more effectively, or within products themselves as you send them out. So smarter the product, the more information you can get back about usage, the better you can develop the next range of products to come out. And then we'll look at some of the vulnerabilities as well. If you network everything in a factory, on a plant floor, there are vulnerabilities that are going to be created by that. And so there's a big issue about people on operational technology side working very closely with the information technology divisions within organisations so that everything is protected the correct way. And then finally, we look at sustainability. If you are going to use this technology to gather information about your products, about the materials that you're using, being able to trace those properly, and other ways in which you can use these new technologies to be able to design products so they're easy to disassemble. So you can recover a lot of the rare earth materials perhaps, or some of the units involved, some of the components. And you can either reuse those, remanufacture those, refurbish those, or recycle them. And this is what we call the circular economy. And it's a very interesting way forward, and something that I think the manufacturing world should really look at when it's considering implementing and deploying these new technologies for the future.